There was a table here. This is citrulline with 250 milliliters of water. And here I put electrolytes. Here I only put 200 milliliters of water. And this is creatine monohydrate. Now I'm going to eat this oatmeal. Now I'm going to drink citrulline. I ate the oats. Now I drink creatine and come back from the gym. Here I 90 kilograms. I think I did it 8 reps. The more you contract the muscle, the harder it becomes. In case you don't know why I'm tired, this is the fourth biceps exercise. This is the fourth biceps exercise. If I started from the first time I came to the gym with this exercise and did ego lifting and only did one repetition with about 116 kilograms, but the video will be on my TikTok account. In the end, it's important to build muscle. It doesn't matter how many kilograms you train with. For example, if we train with 30 kilograms for your biceps and your muscle grow, and someone else comes and does it with more kilograms than you, if you grow muscle with light weights, who cares? Train correctly to grow your muscle, not to impress others. Here I put on 17 kilograms, so I called to the correct contraction. Don't forget to follow me and press the bell to see when other videos, and whoever wants to see what I eat and how I train, like and subscribe, because at 250 and 2 million views I post a video of how I eat and how I train. Well, if you guys are watching this video and following me on TikTok, you should know that tomorrow I'm going live on TikTok. You may be wondering why we don't talk in the gym. We didn't talk because we didn't have a lavalier and the music was playing. Anyway, I want to buy a lavalier and a GoPro. I now 135 kilograms and I have 10% body fat. Here we go home and eat the last meal. That is dinner. See you in the next vlog.